AI and meta intelligence are the future of the world. Well, maybe, but there is a part of the world that would actually not exist if more pressing matters are not attended to, right? So, sleek workflows and all that. A lot of startups, tech everywhere, but global hunger is declining, but in Africa it's increasing, and 20% of Africa, according to reported statistics, which we know is usually underreported, are suffering from major hunger problems, and that is in the millions of people, right? So if we have all this tech flying around and they basically do not address to pressing matters, right? Basic food security, basic healthcare. He that eateth not shall surely die, right? So it would be pointless if we're building a lot of exterior things and major pressing interior matters that affect the life directly of humans living within this region. It just might be we beating in the air, right? Namibia, for example, is standing like at the edge of the world, having to battle possible drastic adverse effects of climate change, drought, land degradation, leading major food security problems. I mean, for a region that largely depends on rainfall for their agricultural processes, but their main rainfall per year is about 370 to 380 millimeters. That's about 4 to 5 times lesser than what we have in Nigeria, that we're even complaining is not sufficient enough. And some regions even have about 25 millimeters of rainfall, which is 20 times lesser than low rainfall areas in Nigeria like Borno State. And you have people depending on that for agricultural processes like Azal. That makes no sense. Yes, government is putting together a lot of policies, community actions to base on adaptation, looking at expanding renewable energy, using of drought-resistant species, grazing policies, and a lot of other things to basically see that things work. And these are the issues, right? So if more people or if more weight is not put behind these things, then we just might be chasing the wrong things, at least in the African context, right? There's no point of having efficient, fast payment systems if you cannot produce food or you cannot even afford the food you produce. So what exactly is your efficient payment system for? It kind of like defeats the entire purpose that we are looking to get in the first place. So basically, we don't want to be like people who are tighting anise and cumin but forgetting or ignoring the weightier matters of the law, where we're cleaning the exterior of the plate but within is still full of dead men's bones. That is really not the best of situations to be in. But yeah, in the end, cheers.